Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into OneXpert app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded OneXpert, and once you open it you will be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see login option at top left corner. Just tap on it and you'll be able to see login section where it is asking us for our email address, ID or username and our password. So let me show you an example. So yeah, once your credential is completed, click to login and you'll be able to log in. And by chance if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forget your passwords on the screen and complete the formalities and you will be able to log in. So basically this is how you can log into OneXpert, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.